Here goes the Geramel. He has to get in through the passenger door because the driver door is fucked up. I know that's right. And we just saw a rattlesnake earlier and Geramel almost pissed his pants. Geremel's driving a V6 Jeep Grand Cherokee pickup with a Dana 30 on the front and I guess a Dana 30 in the back. As you can tell, the truck's leaning hard to the passenger side because it has no motherfucking shocks. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's in 4 low right now. He's scared shitless of going down hills, by the way. Motherfucker's leaning hard to the left. I don't know why. Oh, it straightened out because the wheel dropped. I told him to go straight so he can have some fun. It's fixing to drop! It's fixing to drop! Here he comes. Geremel's growing some balls as we speak. Mud Creek, 2007. August 11th. Or, no, fucking August 6th, I think. Yeah, 6th. October 6th. Fuck, what the hell am I thinking? Too much beer. Here we go. Geremel's at the bottom of the hole. Yeah, he's just putting in 4 low now. I was wrong earlier. And here he comes. Look at them eyes of determination. Them eyes of defeat. He's gonna conquer this hill no matter what. I need some comments on that climb, sir.
I kind of was scared, but I squeezed my ass cheek.
Were you scared as when you saw that rattlesnake?
Yeah, well,
Alright.